Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. I am Greg Inman, a training support specialist for the AT and UDL Loan Library at the Hollywood Distribution Center. Welcome to the video series on the Immersive Reader feature available in many of the Microsoft Office and Office 365 applications. Immersive Reader helps to support all learners through universal education, Tier 1 support, in Florida's multi-tiered systems of supports. Students using Microsoft Office, or Office 365, can self-select these supports to remove any barriers and increase engagement during instruction of the Florida Best Standards. The Microsoft Immersive Reader is a free tool built into many Microsoft Office programs to make it easier for people to read text. This episode will focus on the column width, page color, and text spacing options available in Immersive Reader. To access the Immersive Reader feature within Microsoft applications, simply click on the View tab. Then click on the Immersive Reader icon. This will open up the available features in Immersive Reader. With the column width feature, the overall width of the text can be adjusted from wide to moderate to narrow to very narrow. With the page color options, screen colors and contrast can be adjusted to a variety of colors and contrasts. Finally, text spacing can be adjusted to make text easier to read with more spacing. To close Immersive Reader, simply click on the Close Immersive Reader icon. On behalf of the Technology and Learning Connections team, I would like to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.